Without APIs, modern cybersecurity would be like trying to fight fires blindfolded. Let's dive into how APIs power cybersecurity today. It's a set of rules that allows two applications to talk to each other. For example, when you log in to a website using Google Login, that's an API working. Security platforms must share information fast. APIs connect SIEM with firewalls like Fortinet to Splunk, EDR tools with threat intelligence databases, and authentication apps such as SSO or MFA with cloud services. Without APIs, all these would be isolated islands, making incident response much slower. APIs eliminate manual work by automating alerts, responses, and investigations. They really speed up threat response, bringing it down to seconds instead of hours. Plus, they enable real-time monitoring, letting you correlate data from multiple tools instantly. And they support scalability, so new apps can integrate easily without having to redesign everything. Imagine a phishing email hits your company. With an API, your email security, firewall, SIEM, and endpoint protection can immediately talk to each other to block the attack without any human delay. APIs are the silent, powerful connectors behind modern cybersecurity. Master them and you master automation, speed, and defense. Subscribe for more real-world cybersecurity insights.